Have you ever bought a camping chair that looked great online, only to discover it's uncomfortable after 20 minutes, lacks storage, and barely feels sturdy enough for a full day outdoors? If you've experienced that frustration, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're camping, fishing, tailgating, or relaxing in your backyard, the right chair can make a huge difference. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Romswi Camping Chairs for Adults 2-pack to see if they deliver the comfort, durability, and convenience that outdoor enthusiasts actually need. The Romswi Camping Chair set is designed for campers, beachgoers, anglers, sports fans, and anyone who spends extended time outdoors. What makes these chairs stand out is their combination of heavy-duty construction, built-in storage features, and convenient portability. Instead of focusing on unnecessary extras, they aim to solve some of the most common outdoor seating problems. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, these chairs strike a nice balance between comfort and practicality. The blue color gives them a clean, outdoor-friendly look, while the overall design feels more substantial than many budget folding chairs. The frame feels sturdy, and the 600D Oxford fabric give confidence that the chairs are built for repeated use. Unlike thinner materials that can start showing wear after a few outings, this fabric feels durable enough to handle camping trips, beach days, and backyard gatherings throughout the year. One thing you'll notice almost immediately is the mesh back design. On warm days, this feature becomes surprisingly valuable. Instead of trapping heat against your back, the breathable mesh allows airflow that helps keep you cooler and more comfortable. It's a simple design choice, but one that genuinely improves the overall sitting experience during long outdoor sessions. Comfort is another area where these chairs perform well. The ergonomic seating position feels supportive without being overly rigid, and the padded armrests add a level of comfort that many standard folding chairs lack. Whether you're sitting around a campfire, watching a football game, or spending hours beside a fishing spot, the chair feels designed for longer periods of relaxation rather than quick temporary use. Storage and convenience are where the Romswi chairs really begin to separate themselves from many competitors. The built-in cup holder is exactly where you'd expect it to be, making it easy to keep drinks secure and accessible. The large side storage pocket is also genuinely useful. Phones, snacks, magazines, keys, sunscreen, or small accessories can all stay within arm's reach instead of ending up scattered around your campsite or lawn chair setup. The built-in fork and cooler bag is another feature that adds practical value. Having cold drinks readily available without constantly getting up to visit a larger cooler is something you'll appreciate more than you might expect. For beach days, camping weekends, and tailgate parties, it's a convenience that quickly becomes part of your routine. Setup couldn't be much easier. There's no assembly required, and the chairs unfold in seconds. When it's time to pack up, they collapse just as quickly and fit into the included carry bags. The shoulder straps make transportation simple, especially if you're carrying additional gear at the same time. This ease of use helps make the chairs practical not only for camping trips, but also for spontaneous outdoor events. Of course, there are a few limitations. While the chairs offer excellent durability and comfort, they're slightly bulkier than ultralight backpacking chairs designed specifically for long-distance hiking. If minimizing weight is your top priority, there are lighter alternatives available. However, those lighter options often sacrifice comfort, storage, and stability in the process. Overall, the Romswi Camping Chairs for Adults 2-pack deliver a comfortable, durable, and highly practical outdoor seating solution. They're ideal for campers, beachgoers, tailgaters, fishermen, and backyard entertainers who want more than a basic folding chair. If comfort, convenience, and easy portability matter to you, these chairs are definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest outdoor gear reviews, and check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability.